Hello friends, and welcome back to our channel. Today we've got an exciting tutorial that is going to change the way you use your computer. In this step-by-step guide, I'm going to show you how to take control of your device by customizing your folder icons and also reveal to you those data-hungry apps that are devouring your precious computer bandwidth. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss another tutorial like this one. Let's get started. This is my desktop environment, and what I'm about to do now is to convert these images into icons. So what you need to do first is to create a new folder, click on a blank space, go down to new, and click on folder. Here you have it. Now what you need to do next, we can change the icon name to maybe privacy. Just press your F2, you have to rename and type maybe privacy. Alright, there you have it. The next thing you need to do is to go to your CorelDRAW. You can launch your CorelDRAW and have this environment. Then the next part of it, let me just resize this to a smaller one. Okay, so we're going to convert these images into icons because we're not going to use them directly here. For example, if we check on the here, go to customize and go to change icons, you see we don't have them here. Even if we browse to check for some icons like these images on our system, so you can click on desktop, you can find them, they're not icons. What you need to do is to convert these images into one of these file types. So how to do that? Let's go back to our CorelDRAW. This image here, you can right click on it, click on copy, then take it to CorelDRAW. We have it here. Then paste it. You can resize it, reduce the size like this, just adjust it. Okay, very simple. So we're going to use this image as an icon. So what you need to do is let's bring the other ones also. So I'll just right click here and duplicate the page, layer only, so you can still do another one, duplicate page. Alright, so you copy these two, then paste them here. Okay, right. Now let's go back to this one and put this one here. So we have this. Okay, hope you've seen what I'm doing. Alright, this one is here already. Let's just cut this a little. Cut this a little. Okay. Alright, so why not, let's start with this. Go to your keyboard and press Ctrl E. You have this environment to export. Now, normally you're supposed to have it as maybe JPG or PNG or GIF file or PDF. So, but we're going to change it. Let's assume it's here. You see JPG, normal images. So let's change it to icon. So you can just type icon. Okay, you have it here. So you click on icon. Then maybe just type 1. Then here you have it. By pressing export, you have this environment. You just click on OK and you have this. Now at times you might see it on the maybe system, the clarity will not be that good, so, or maybe standard VGA. So what you need to do now is just take it to adaptive. think it will be okay. Then you just click on OK. Alright, now we have it here. This is an icon and this is the normal image, the one we changed it into the icon. So we can click on our privacy folder, right click on it, then press on properties. Then go to customize, then click on change icon. Under here, this icon isn't here. So what you need to do is to just click on browse and go down to your desktop here. Now, why is it that these images are not showing here? Don't forget what I said. These ones are JPG images, they are not icons. So what you need to do now is to click on here, then click on open, click on OK, then click on apply. So you have this, you see, here is it. Then you can click on OK. Let me use this one. Then type in maybe 3, next, you're going to next. So I have this and click on OK. So let me change this last one. This will be the last one. Right click on property, you can customize, click on change, the same thing. Click on browse. This is the third one. Click on OK, click on OK, click on apply, click on OK. So here you have it. Okay, so it's as simple as that. But at times there are some that are in the system that you can just do directly. For example, so you can just use this one. So I've been naming privacy 3. Then you can right click and go to property, you can go to customize. You have other ones here, okay? And just go select the one you want. I love this one. So you can just click on it, click on apply, you have it. And that's all very, very simple. And you just click on what? Okay. We all know how frustrating it can be when certain apps drain up all your data without even asking for permission. But worry not, by following the steps, you can easily restrict those data hogging apps. Check this out. So let's run it here. Type in Registry Editor and hit on enter. So here you have it. So you can go straight to H key. So you can go straight to H key local machine, click on it, then scroll downward to software, click on it, scroll downward to Microsoft. Here is it. You click on it, you drop it downward, then so all you need to do from here is to scroll downward to window NT. You drop it down, click on current window, drop it down. Then we scroll down to network list. Network list. Here is it. So you click it downward and select default media cost. Here we have it. Now you can right click and click on modify. Change the value from 1 to 2 and then click OK. That's all. Congratulations. Personalization and data management are key to a smooth and efficient device experience. By customizing your folder icons and restricting data-hungry apps, you are taking control over your device like a professional. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit the subscription button if you haven't already. We have got more exciting tech tips and tricks coming your way. Remember, knowledge is power in this digital age. Stay tuned for our next video.